Electric torque wrench, operation demonstration. Unboxing wrench set, power line, reaction arm and instruction book, quality certificate, data cable, reaction arm installation. Connect to 220V power. Screen shows wrench model, time, temperature, mode, and torque value. Measure the knot and confirm the right torque. Adjust to clockwise rotation to tighten the knot. Set the right torque value. Choose suited socket. Press the trigger to start tightening the knot. It stops when reaches the preset torque value. Take down the socket and confirm the tightening result.